again, signing in YouTube. So I want to make this another tutorial. This is a request from a YouTube viewer. So the title of my tutorial is this: Uno tutorial how to use SOCKS 5, where to get it, where to use it. SOCKS can be used room locking, mass PC cracking, spammer. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, as you know me, I don't want to keep you waiting. Okay, first open where to get SOCKS 4. Unfortunately, I do have a SOCKS 5, like BIP SOCKS, SOCKS 5, SOCKS 4. Okay, just wait. Here, click this here, SOCKS 4. Okay, there we go. Now there's the SOCKS. See, first check SOCKS 5 servers. It's clean. Okay, there it goes. See, SOCKS 4 and 5 clean. Okay, SOCKS 4, SOCKS 5. Guys, actually I only use SOCKS 5. Okay, yes, for the mass or doing a lot of things. There goes SOCKS 5, SOCKS 5. Then the BIP SOCKS. Just have to go to here. BIP SOCKS there. Premium SOCKS, BIP SOCKS. There you go, BIP. Okay. See? Premium SOCKS. There it goes. The date. Make sure the date is updated, okay? See, 28/9/11. There it goes. There it goes. See? Now how to use SOCKS 5? Okay, you can use this in a cracker, ID cracker, to crack their password, to get their password. Okay. All you have to do is, of course, when you go to a SOCKS, wait. Okay, there it goes. You can use it there. You can use it in a room locker. Okay, there it goes, using SOCKS there. There it goes. You can use it in a booter, a client booter. There it goes, SOCKS panel. See, you can use it in a spammer. Okay, you can use it in a mass PC, like PC charger. Okay, there it goes. How to use it? For example, I am using a room locking. Just load the SOCKS and find it in your where you put your SOCKS. Unfortunately for me, I put it in my documents. There you go, SOCKS 5. Then sample BIP 1. Just open and it goes. There goes the SOCKS. Okay. To save a SOCKS, you must copy paste it. Okay, copy paste it in SOCKS 24. Put it in a notepad. Then paste it there. Then save it. That's all. So this is Unomas signing in. So, for example, I will load some votes. Okay, I will not load it. You will see my password in there. So this is Unomas signing out. This is just a request tutorial. To find SOCKS, go to SOCKS 24 in the internet. Just type it in the Google. Okay guys? So signing out. This is Unomas. Bye.